Okay, so I was not trying to pay somebody $300 to come change out my smoke alarm. So I needed a replacement for this 2003 very old smoke alarm. They don't even make this anymore. I needed a replacement, but I needed the replacement to be kind of plug and play. I don't want to deal with any of the electrical stuff, changing out those wires or anything like that. And so, anyway, I did some research and I found out that um, this Kidde unit that I'm posting is the most compatible, but that I also needed an extra attachment to make it kind of plug and play compatible with my specific unit. Okay, so this is the first time that I am changing a smoke detector by myself, so I'm kind of learning as I go. One of my big lessons was do not take out the long screws. Those screws were forever to unscrew, just to realize I didn't even have to take them out. You just have to loosen them a little bit and turn the base, I believe it was counterclockwise, to remove the base and install a brand new base with the screws in place. And then you just have to re-tighten it. Okay, lesson number one. So when I went to connect the new alarm to the existing attachment there, I found out it doesn't exactly fit. What makes it doesn't fit is those two tabs on the end that help secure it in place. Well, I just took those two tabs off. I didn't think they were necessarily needed. The um, the unit is not going to go anywhere unless there's like a really huge earthquake or something like that. So I just kind of snapped those little burrs off. And then it just plugged right in and it started working immediately. And now I have a brand new installed smoke detector done by me. Saved me some money. Works perfectly.